Hello crafters, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a wall decor, and we're going to be using clothespins to do that. As you can see, I am taking a couple of clothespins apart to show you how I'm going to rearrange them. So I just took them apart, took the spring out of the middle, and glued the backs together. Now you can use hot glue to do this, wood glue. I use tacky glue. That is what I had available, and that is what I used. You just put your glue on, you glue the two, turn them back to back, glue them together, and give them time to dry. Now when I originally started this project, and you'll see when I bring my board out, I was going to do another design, and then I changed my mind again and did another design. If this is your first time joining me, thank you. I really appreciate it. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. By all means, if you so desire, please share. Leave me any comments that you may have, and I'll definitely get back to you. If you are an oldie but goodie, Goldie, thank you. I am so loving all my subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it. Here you see I have my board, and it's a 12-inch board. As you can see, the two circles in the middle. I was going to do a different design, and then I changed my mind. But I've put all my clothespins together now, and can't tell you how many I used. I think I forgot to count them to tell you how many I use. But that is a 12-inch board. The board is definitely 12 inches. And as you can see, I am starting the original design that I was going to make here. And I'm just going to let you watch for a minute as I place these down. So here's where I decided to do another design. As you see, I painted my board gold, and I'm going to put a mirror in the center, and then just align the clothespins around the mirror. Now that I have all my clothespins in place around my mirror, I am just taking some gold beads and running around on the inside just to give it a finished look. Now I'm just adding some pearls to kind of give it a little bit more decoration, a little bit more glam to it. And these are pearls that I got from the Dollar Tree, so they do have holes on both ends of them. And I'm not putting them on every clothespin, it's every other that I'm putting it on.